Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg and this is Puddle Walkers Outdoors. Alright guys, I'm out here in a small, skinny, super skinny Southern Indiana creek searching for smallmouths. All right guys, today I'm gonna be throwing a whopper plopper and the infamous Indiana Kelly worm. All right guys, stay tuned. This ought to be fun. There we go. Oh, I missed him. How did I miss that fish? I wasn't dumb enough to take a second shot. Let's see if I change the projection of the bait. If that'll make him want to hit it again. Yeah. See, just change the angle, you get your fish. Settle down there, buddy. Get my pliers out. Hold that lure so I don't run them hooks in my hands. Alright guys, first small of the day, a little bitty guy, but it goes to show guys, you change your projection, sometimes you can get a follow-up hit. If I would have kept throwing it the way I was, this fish was not going to come back at it. Change the angle, decided to bring it long ways across the hole, boom, he hit it again. Got him in the second one. Yeah, there might be more fish in there, but I'm just moving on. I got a lot of water to explore today. See what kind of fish we can get into. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, he came off. What a good fish. What a good fish. I was not ready for him. Oh man, he was nice, he was nice. There we go. Oh, missed him twice. Or he missed it twice. That was a good fish. He hit her a good one too. Sure did. He sure did. Got that one. Oh, that's a good fish. Yeah, he's fighting good. It's a little guy, but he's got some spunk. Oh, there's two of them there. His buddy don't want to play. There we go, buddy. Grab these pliers, get this hook out of you. I think I might have had both them fish for just a second. There we go, guys. Number 2 for the morning. Little bitty guy. Let's let him slide out of here. I saw another one with him. So we're going to throw back out there and see if we can't get him. Man, I would really, really like to get a double up today. I've never gotten one, guys. It's something I've always wanted. Just want to catch 2 fish with 1 lure. I think that's one of the coolest things you could have happen. Could have definitely been the fish though I just caught. They do like to jump around, get that sting out of their mouth from that hook. Oh crap. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Better fish, better fish. Come here, buddy. I got you, I got you. Don't be sinking that hook into my bag now, you little asshole. Slow down, buddy. All right, number 3 for the day. A little bitty guy. He actually spit up a crawl. It's inside my bag. All right, guys, let's get back out there, see if we can find some more. Digging the plopper. Digging the plopper. Hopefully I can just get more hook sets. I got that one. Oh, that's a violent one there. Yeah. He's violent, boys. He's violent. Nicest one so far. There he goes. I was gonna reach for the net, but I thought I was just gonna be able to pick him up out of here. That turned out to be a lie. Oh, he smacked it out of that one. I thought I had that fish. He hit it so good, I thought I had him. Like, oh yeah, he's caught, he's caught. Trying to find it. He wasn't. That one is though. Man, they're hitting hard today. There's some good ones up in there. Oh, that's a good one right there. Yeah, that's a real good one. I'll get the net out for this one. There we go. First good one of the morning. There was another one down in there. I seen him. Pliers, pliers, pliers. We need our pliers. Guys. Bridge smallie for the win, huh? It's nice. It's about 14 inches. I'm gonna get him back in the water now, okay? There we go. See you later, buddy. Guys, you come up on a place like this, you want to start with some long casts. This looks like super skinny water. Throw that out there like that. Oh yeah, watch this. Here we go. Ah, I missed it. That's what I'm talking about though. You really don't ever want to just kind of like walk up to the bank. I don't care how quiet you are. You just don't want to do it. You know, it's so easy to get yourself up close to the water, take a good look at what's in there. A lot of times it'll spook the fish. So you just want to make these long casts from back here. Oh, got him that time. Oh, sorry buddy. Sorry, I didn't know you were going to come off. We got a little bitty one, guys, and I'm going to get him back in the water so he doesn't get hurt any more than he already probably has from thumping off that ground like that. I feel bad when I do stuff like that. I don't like it. We got a nice one, guys. We got a nice one. I thought my camera was on. It wasn't even on. Nicest one of the morning. Oh no, he's hooked into my pants. Oh no, he's off. Damn it. He caught me. Stinking caught me. Can't believe he ran me right into my own damn sock and got off. I got a hold of a good fish and I can lose him. That's nothing I can even do about that. And miss a lure like it. Oh! Holy shit. Did you see the size of that big one? Alright guys, this is where a follow-up lure comes in handy at. Alright guys, anytime you run into that situation, in a spot like this right here, you got a bunch of fish in a concentrated area. Clearly there's not much food because they all were coming out from underneath there trying to hit that plopper. So what I do is I take a Ned, tie one on, and then just kind of jig it in front of this rock right here and see if we can't pull some of these fish out. We might be able to even get lucky enough to catch a couple of them. Maybe. If I can get at least one of them, preferably that big one, that would be great. There we go. Oh, missed the first one. At least I didn't hook him. At least I didn't hook him. He grabbed straight up a hold of that Ned. That's another one. What's going on here? Whoa. Oh, I knew he was there. I seen him miss it the first time. Yeah, missed the hook set on the second time. All right, we've given him the top water. Let's give him the Ned. I haven't caught nothing on the Ned today. I have tied it on a couple times. And I was having the same issue. I wasn't getting my hook in them good enough and they kept getting off. So I figured if I was going to lose them, I was going to at least enjoy a topwater blow up. Can't really seem to get these ones here to latch on, so we're going to stay down here on our knees like this, guys. We're going to throw out into this and then we're going to jig this back. Just like so. Got one. Oh, see, they keep coming off. Oh my God. It's two now I've lost on the Ned. Missed one and lost one. All right, throw it back out there again. See what happens this time. It's just depressing, man, when they get off like that. Oh, there you go, snagged. Straight up broke off. Let's throw this Kelly worm out there. Down to having to finesse these fish, guys. I'm just losing too many of them on the plopper. I've lost 90% of my fish today that have just gotten off. I had them on the hook and I let them off. Sure hope that last one was just a snag. I didn't just plug one in the mouth with that thing. There we go. You ain't coming off of this, buddy. Not the Kelly worm. Not the Kelly worm. There we go. He's not bad. Get the pliers out. We got him in the tongue, so he's gonna bleed a little bit. I don't know why the tongue hookings make him bleed, but see, it's just right here at the mouth. But it stuck him in his tongue, so that's gonna make him bleed. And here, guys, another little one. Let's get him back in there. Let that tongue heal up on him. All right, let's throw this back out there again. I'll see if we can find another. This Kelly worm, man, is just a clutch lure for me, guys. I can pick these up in bait shops, man, really cheap. I haven't used one in so long. Forgot just how good they really are. Ooh, that's a good one there. Yeah. There we go. About the same size as the last one. Just finessing the Kelly worm, guys. You guys want to know something really cool? You want to see something really cool? That's my Ned down in there. I did break off on him fish. I get my Ned rig back now. He's trying to swallow her down. My Ned broke off. Broke off on this little guy setting the hook. How crazy is that? All right, buddy, back in there. Glad I caught him before he swallowed that. It would have been bad. The hook hadn't even gotten in him yet, so maybe I just broke off on something and he come by and scooped it up. That I don't know. We got a good one. Oh, he's not bad. He's not bad at all. I may need to net him. I don't know yet. Don't know yet. We don't need to net him. He's got a lot of spunk though. There we go. All right, guys. Three on the Kelly worm, one spot. There we go, guys. It's number 3 out of this one spot. Throwing this Kelly worm. Not a bad one. All right, buddy, get back in there. Tell you guys one thing, man. It's an absolute shame that I've lost my best fish today. I'm still not over it, in case anybody's wondering. All right, moving along. Pretty wild, guys, that I broke off with that Ned and then found it back in that fish's mouth. Alright, guys, that's that's a wrap on the day. We caught a lot of fish today. Nothing really big. I cannot believe I got that one snag to my foot, guys. Such a beautiful fish. It had to have been 16 plus. Guys, came across this beautiful cave. I want to share this with you guys. I don't know who lives in here. Probably the boogeyman. This kind of looks like the kind of thing you would see like in The Exorcist. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.